Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone C67 5G with sunny Oasis design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with IPS LCD display, with 6.72 inches Full HD Plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 91.4% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 392 ppi pixel density, 20:9 aspect ratio, 120 Hz refresh rate, 680 nits peak brightness, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with AI dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel main camera, along with 2 megapixel depth camera. For selfies it has 8 megapixel front camera, video recording maximum 1080p at 30 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version Realme UI 4.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex-A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex-A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus chipset, paired with Mali G57MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 4 GB, 6 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 4 GB, 6 GB extended RAM, and 128 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 2 TB dedicated microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 165.7 by 76 by 7.89 mm, and it weights around 190 grams, and the color options sunny Oasis, dark purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with SuperVOOC 33-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 headphone jack, USB Type-C charging port, IP54 dust and splash resistant, Mini Capsule 2.0. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme C67 5G has been expected priced in Pakistan for 4 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 47,999 Pakistani rupees, and 13,999 Indian rupees, and around $168, while the 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 50,999 Pakistani rupees, and 14,999 Indian rupees, and around $180. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Realme C67 5G smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.